Dropshipping. Controversial, disputed, highly debated, but we can't underestimate it. It can be very lucrative. As a part of the growing e-commerce industry, dropshipping is growing with it and will continue to do so in the upcoming years. But why is it controversial and should you consider doing it? My name is Olesia and I've been in this business for many years, and in this video I'll answer these questions and tell you how to win the dropshipping game properly. Before we enumerate the key aspects every wise entrepreneur should consider before starting a dropshipping business, you need to understand one thing. Good old AliExpress dropshipping times are gone. Some 5 years ago and earlier, you could just find a couple of Chinese suppliers and resell their products with a huge profit margin. But it's not an option anymore. Now, as a dropshipper, you should care about all of these things: quality, shipping times, and etc. Anyway, some people still do that, AliExpress dropshipping. So for your convenience, in this video, we'll call that way of doing dropshipping the old school one. So what are the aspects of dropshipping you need to keep in mind as a beginner? Thing number 1, suppliers. They are detrimental to dropshippers' success. When doing old school dropshipping, finding reliable suppliers was never a small task, and many beginners dealt with unprofessional suppliers. And ultimately, their businesses suffered. Today, you can do e-com business with Sellvia, and you won't even need a supplier because Sellvia itself is a supplier. Sellvia has a ton of products from many niches for you to pick from. Thing number 2, products. When you do old school dropshipping, probably you work with AliExpress, and finding good quality products can be a difficult task, even though the selection is crazy. On one hand, it's awesome because you don't need to deal with the inventory by yourself. On the other, you can be 100% sure about the product quality when you do old school dropshipping. With Sellvia, you can be confident in all the products. They have been tested by thousands of customers who left honest reviews. And by ourselves too. We created hundreds of turnkey stores and we know what products sell well. Of course, you can buy products before adding them to your catalog, but waiting times usually aren't short. This leads us to the next point. When you do dropshipping, the supplier sends the product to your customers directly. The product bypasses you. Delivery times. As we already said, when entrepreneurs did old school dropshipping, they usually worked with Chinese suppliers. And delivery could be quite long, and none of the customers will want to wait 2+ weeks for delivery, especially knowing that they can go to Amazon, find something similar, and wait 3 days instead of 3 weeks. Sellvia, on the other hand, ensures a 3 business day shipping all around the United States. Moving on to point 4, product descriptions. Old school suppliers don't really bother to make enticing, exciting, and cool descriptions. Suppliers' purpose is to produce products and give wholesalers the necessary information about it. Marketing and attracting customers is not suppliers' main purpose because they know there will be buyers who want to resell their products either way. When you work with such suppliers, you need to work on the product descriptions, write or rewrite the text, Photoshop the product images, and so on. When you work with Sellvia, that's not a problem for you because all Sellvia's products have top-notch pre-made product descriptions. Thing number 5, customer service. When dropshipping, you're responsible for your supplier's actions and its service. It's not an unusual situation for old school dropshipping when suppliers take a long time to respond or don't respond at all. Sellvia's support team works 24/7, so you are never alone with your issues. Okay, but what's Sellvia though? Sellvia is an e-commerce ecosystem that solves all the typical issues of running a dropshipping business. Sellvia has its own warehouse in California with a ton of high-quality products from different niches that are proven to sell thanks to our analysts. And all of them get delivered around the United States within 3 business days. Products have descriptions that ensure the best conversions thanks to truly enticing texts, top-notch product images, and reviews from real customers. You'll just see it all for yourself. Our managers are ready to help you at any time of the day. No need to stress and worry about needing help but not being able to get it right here, right now. We're always here for you. If you think about how to start an e-commerce site, Our team can create a turnkey e-commerce store for you that will be ready to make sales from the very beginning. No more fuss creating a store, paying wild sums of money, dealing with technicalities and other not-so-fun things. We also know how hard it can be to market your business, especially if you don't have any experience. Our marketers created a marketing academy, which consists of various video lessons on how to market your dropshipping store on different platforms. You don't need to crawl the internet trying to find any valuable info. We skimmed the cream and put it in our marketing academy. Just follow the guides and enjoy the profits. We also created services that can make running your business even simpler. For example, you can easily enjoy the benefits of email marketing, search engine optimization, top-notch social media accounts, and much more. You can even create your own brand with us and sell products with unique designs, not only in your store, but also on Amazon. Sounds exciting? Book a free consultation with us and learn more about the best e-commerce business to start. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to learn more about e-commerce and dropshipping. Leave your feedback and questions in the comments, and see you in the next video. Bye!